Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. After that, just alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now set up an hour and when you're ready, choose OK. Then you need to click on repeat and tap on days of the week. I want to delete, for example, Mondays and Wednesdays. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. You can label your alarm however you wish to and save it by tapping on OK. Then click on this little bell icon here, choose one of those sources or tap on dismiss and pick one of those system melodies by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also tap on add new, select music from your device. I will go with that one and simply go back. When you're ready, click on this little icon over here and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you can do that by clicking on this little icon under the switcher and choosing delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!